have a vintage Covella accordion. It has 41 keys in the treble with 120 bass buttons with 3 reeds in the treble, low and 2 middle. There are 5 switches on the treble side, and I'll go through each one so you can sample the sounds. This is the bassoon. This is the bandoneon. Master. Musette, 2 middle. And clarinet. There are 2 sounds on the bass side. It's a toggle switch. This has a very vintage look to it. It has a marbleized candy apple red finish with cream, a design in the Bellows. Even the keys here are a black and red marbleized kind of finish. It has a nice sound. It has like a drier musette tuning. It's very lightweight, fairly compact. So if you're in the market for a smaller accordion, this would be a good choice. I'll play you something so you can hear what it sounds like.